Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a Morphe Highliter collection unboxing, followed by a tutorial of this look, which I created using one of their eyeshadow palettes there to create 39A. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and proceed. Scissors, check. Okay, I'm gonna open, and I'm just gonna put it right here. The first thing is this 15D eyeshadow palette called Day Slayer. The box, so cute, sleek. I love their new logo, Morphe, and their logo here. We're gonna go ahead and open it. Ta-da! You see? Wow, so cute. We're gonna go ahead and open it. And we're gonna turn it around so you guys don't get blinded. You see all the colors. Wow, and the thing I love about this is it has the names of each color right here, so you don't have to kind of like, oh, we're gonna use this here, and then no, now it has its name. So Morphe's coming along. So yeah, this is more of like warm colors. Gonna go ahead and swatch some. They're so creamy and buttery, like, oh my god, see? Wow. I'm so sorry guys, I'm not good at swatching, so bear with me. Now we're gonna go ahead and try two of the matte colors. Put them next to each other. See? The camera doesn't do justice on these two colors right here. It's so cute, so pretty. So yeah, this has 15 shadows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are kind of like shimmery. And the other ones are matte colors. Awesome. Okay, we're gonna go ahead with the other. Let's see what else. This is the 50N eyeshadow palette Night Master. Same packaging. We're gonna go ahead and open it. Alright. Same logo. Alright, and now these colors, woohoo! These are light matte, medium matte colors, and these are dark. These two are calling my name, like, oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch those. I have to see how they look. Right here. It looks so good. Like I said, the camera doesn't do justice. Like, actually this top I'm gonna show you on my fingers. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch these and these. See? Not focus. Yeah, so pretty. Amazing. It's so pretty. Gonna go ahead and clean my arm because there's more colors to swatch. Okay, the next one is the 3502. I do have the 350 palette, and this is the second edition. Same packaging. Now we're gonna go ahead and open it. Let me put this here because I don't have a lot of space here. Same Morphe. Wow. Nice. This is kind of similar to the other one, but this does have few bright colors like these 2, 3 reds, where they're kind of red, orangey. But yeah, look at this one. I have to swatch it. You see? These can be used as a highlighter. Right over here. Why don't I go ahead and do that? You see, guys? Amazing. Wow. It's funny that some of the colors that you can use, besides the eye, you can use it as a highlighter or a couture. It's funny. I like it. And this one now has a plastic sheet with the names of each color. I assume that the big shadow palettes does come with these, and the little ones are in the colors. This has 35 shadows. As you see, all of these colors are like for fall, winter. It's nice. Okay, go ahead with the next. Okay. Oh yeah, I've been waiting for this so much. This is the Complexion Gold brush set. Now this is more like a rose gold copper logo right here. We're gonna go ahead and open it. Alright. What do we have here? Oh, it's a nice champagne makeup bag. I'll call it makeup bag, but you obviously this is to store your brushes, especially when you're going out of town, you need to travel. It's so cute. Let's see inside. Has yarn on, paper. But yeah, see the inside. Oh, it feels so soft and strong. Nice. And they're Morphe right here in the zipper. Okay, now we're to the back part. There are brushes, see? And this set comes with 5 brushes. Right here, as you can see. This project does not have numbers or anything, so it's very surprising that this doesn't have any name or numbers, but it's okay, it's okay. do right here. This one is more like a round powder brush, but this I will use it to dust the loose powder, like right here under my eyes. This one, obviously, I will use it as a highlighter, right here. This, I will use it to set my concealer right here. And this one, I will use it to apply my foundation. This is more like a kabuki brush. And this for contour right here. See the angle brush? Looks so soft. I've been a fan of Morphe brushes for quite time because they're soft, and you know, some of the brushes hair tends to fall, or you know, when you're using it and you'll see a hair in your face. This does not do that. I haven't had no problem with them, so that's why I keep getting from Morphe. Also, they have a Morphe brush subscription, which I have that. So every month I get from between 3 to 8 brushes every month for $20 a month. So it's really good. So yeah, this is more like a champagne rose gold handle. See, I like it. Alright, so, oh, I almost forgot. I have another set of brushes. Sorry, I'm gonna put my hair. See, this is more like their old makeup brush packaging. See their logo. It smells like paint. Alright, so we have lots of eye brushes. Wow, there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 brushes. Oh my god. Yeah, this is for the eyes. This flat straight brush, see, this one, I will use this to go underneath to apply shadow under my eyes, or even I will also do it to create like a wing liner. This one I will use this for alright, right there, to apply color on my crease. This flat rounded brush, I will use that to, like, if I want to do like a cut crease. This works either with applying the color or the concealer. This brush, same, either for applying your transition or on your cut crease, or even on the outer corners. And this one, I will use this to apply, to kind of clean up my, when I apply my lipstick, like right here. Some other people might use this another way, but this is how I will use them. This one, same. If you need to go deep right into the crease, this will give you a nice, it will apply really good. This one, I will use it to set my, like, highlighter in my inner corners, or as well to kind of smudge the eyeshadow. And this, you see, this one has like a rounded flat brush. This one I could also use it to apply like those shimmery colors right in the inner, from the middle to the inner corner. This one is the same, just a little bigger than the other one. This one too. This, I can use it as well to clean up my lip liner. I meant, you know, when applying my lip, I can clean it up. And this one, you see the angle brush. This one I could use it to do a wing liner or work on my brow. And this one, I can use it to apply highlighter. You can use it in so many ways. There's no rules for in how you can use the brushes, so just play with them. Okay, the best of the best is this palette, 39A, there to create eyeshadow palette. This is what I use to create this look, which I will be showing you how I created after this. So if you guys want to see it, don't go away. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and open, see? And the same as the other one, this is a plastic sheet with the names of each color. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here. Look at all the color. I do apologize, like I said, I used it. See? These are 7 transition colors, starting from the light, going light, medium, to a little bit medium dark colors, and the remaining are 32 shadows. Right here is more like a warm colors. Here red warm colors, and here are more like bright nude warm dark colors. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these because these are my favorite. I love shimmery colors. You see? You see what I mean? So nice. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and swatch these 3 that are calling my name. See? So pretty. So this has a total of 39 shadows, and like I said, the 7 are in the middle for transition colors, and the remaining are shadows. So pretty. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I create this look using the 39A shadow palette, don't go away and keep watching. Before we head to the tutorial, I want to say, if you guys are new, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, turn the notification on, and underneath in the comments let me know what do you guys get from the Morphe holiday collection. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. my look. Okay, so if you guys like the video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell on so you guys can be notified for my next upcoming videos. And down below in the comments, tell me from the Morphe Highliter collection which is your favorite. Can be the brushes or the eyeshadow palettes. Also, I am gonna be writing down the link of my 2 previous videos. One where I'm showing you how to style my hair using the Beachwaver, and second of my natural everyday look, so you guys can go and watch it. Okay, that's it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!